What is up, guys? Sai here. Welcome to the YouTube channel. You know what time it is. Car time. So today we're doing an oil change. You know, something simple to start up the channel, and hopefully we get some new subs. Let's go. All right, guys. First things first, we gotta go to AutoZone and go get oil, the filter, and then we'll come back and get this thing on ramps and get it going. All right. This light. So right now we're on the way to go get some oil from AutoZone, and oil filter, and then get this car on ramps, and we're gonna get this oil change going. So I mean, obviously it's an easy task to do, but you know, I need to start somewhere, like I said before, and what better way to start than an easy task that I know how to do. I came back from AutoZone, let the car cool down a little, and now we got it on ramps, and we're gonna get this oil change going. First things first, let's open up the hood. Alrighty, we got the oil right in there. Don't worry about my drip. Don't worry about my drain pan. Don't judge it. Sorry, I gotta finger this car a little. Don't mind me. Oh, it's kind of hard doing this one hand. So, got the hood open. Nothing much to see here. It's just a stock 5.0. But very soon, put some parts in here, get this shit going. So, all right. Looky who pulled up. Damn, I'm trying to be fast like this man over here. She a little dirty. Sheesh. She's a little dirty. Here comes Nick. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's an ugly ass 5.0. Unnecessary. Alright, so first off, you wanna take off the fucking cap off of your engine cover. So you don't have any fucking like straw like a Capri Sun. You wanna get yourself a drain pan so you don't make a mess and you don't get fucking the EPA on your ass. Okay, I get it. Mr. Coyote 0.5 You wanna get yourself under here? Sorry, I only have one hand. And on my car, it's what size is this? 15 millimeter. Sorry. So you wanna lefty loosey, righty tighty, you know, good old break it loose. That done. It's still not loose enough. So next on the schedule is the oil filter. Damn. Actually, I say we'll plug this up for now so it doesn't keep dripping. We don't make no fucking mess. Where's the hole? Where's the bolt at? Here it is. Where's the drag at? Let's get this in here. I'll tighten this in a bit. I'm just gonna leave it like that so it stops dripping. Let's get this filter, which is right here. I don't know. Let me tears up.
You're shifting on like 6. You're trash. You're trash. Dude, 1200 horsepower Ford Mustang GT.
So now,
Fuck up, bitch. You fat little fuck.
damn. You want to loosen this whenever it wants to loosen.
You down there?
Yeah, I'm just struggling. I'm struggling. Well, you gotta take off this filter. Give me a second, guys. So, you're not real friends unless you laugh at me.
Laugh with you, yeah.
No, laugh at me about my vlogging.
Just intro. Hey guys, welcome back.
So, the oil filter's off, as you all can see here. Where is it? Where's the hole? Right there. It was a bitch to take off. And, well, that's out. Next step is to put the new filter on and fill it up with oil.
Alright, so we're doing an oil change today on my 2015.
Stop and glance at the beautiful sunset.
Alright, I'm about that, that shit's fucking comedy.
Don't know where I left the new filter. Maybe.
Fuck.
Oh. What I like to do is lube up my rings, you know, looby. And we have still Nick laughing at me, vlogging. We got Mr. Coyote 50.
I'm not laughing at you.
Don't remember his Instagram, but I'll add it to the video.
Citrus 50.
Citrus 50, you know, I don't know. But it's as simple as just putting back the oil filter and filling her up. And we'll be back when I start filling her up.
So, hey guys, we're back here with your dirty ass fucking oil.
All this is going on the vlog.
Oh my god.
You gotta bleep it out.
Copyright.
Yeah, dirty oil.
I don't care about swearing. If someone cares about swearing, they could go suck my teeth.
The fucking theme song, bro, cracks me up.
Oh, did we feel it?
No.
That's the intro. That's gonna be a copyright.
You won't get copyrighted. It's off my phone. I listen to that music anyway.
No, copyright means like if you use somebody's music without them knowing.
Isn't that me listening to it?
No, you have to give them. Yeah, you have to give them credit.
Yeah.
All right, shout out to Skrillex for
Provide the intro theme song.
You guys need 2 quarts of oil? No, I'm gonna get rid of it.
No.
Oh my lord.
I mean, I probably will in the next week and a half. My shit keeps fucking smoking up. If I don't get a 10-speed by then.
So you gotta tell me now.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
No, I changed my oil like yesterday, day before. Day before
It's
yesterday.
like a quart left. I shouldn't just waste it on 2 quarts. Whatever.
Throw it in the fucking grass.
We're not gonna throw it on grass. He was just kidding.
I'm dead serious. Throw it in the grass.
No, he's kidding. EPA don't come on our ass.
All right, guys. So if you want to not see a shit box, here we go. Over here we have.
Yeah, show him your engine, bro.
Oh,
Should I actually
Yeah, show him your oil.
show my oil?
Yeah.
All right, here. If you want to pop the hood for me. Yeah.
it's just time lapse.
Yeah, hey, fucking Rod goes to the moon. All right, here we go. full bolt on, and as you can see, I have a fucking oil leak.
Oh my god.
And then we got granny wheels over here.
Yeah. Don't forget, shout out Breaking Muscle. Let's get a sponsor going for these 3 Mustangs.
Yeah.
Fucking horde.
Fuck that.
Fucking
Lethal
horde.
Performance. We got a sponsor from Lethal Performance.
All right. Yeah.
Well,
How do I flip this bitch?
you can't. You gotta stop it.
Remember my face?
Up for a size fucking oil change. That's done. He's still dying about me vlogging. I mean, it's whatever. Stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for more car content and subscribe to the channel, Beach. So I don't know if you guys can hear me, but right now we're on the way to get it oiled.